Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have two separate videos I'm going to put into one. My first is very exciting. I just recently won a giveaway and it was a Valentine's Day giveaway and it's from a YouTuber. She just is a new upstart YouTuber. She's been doing this for a few months now. Her name is Largo. She does beauty. She has a beauty YouTube channel. She does makeup, she does reviews, she does hauls, she does tutorials. So you guys definitely should go check her out. She knows how to put on some eye makeup and she does a pretty good job. So she had a collab for Valentine's Day and all four ladies created a Valentine's Day eye look and I ended up winning one of the giveaways. And so Amanda sent me my little present. And here it is, guys. And this is, I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it. I already know what it is, but this is a set of eyelashes. And this is from the company battingtonbeauty.com. And here are the eyelashes. Now, I went ahead on the website and found out some information about it. And if you guys wanna check this website out, it's called Battington, B-A-T-T-I-N-G-T-O-N beauty.com. And these were the Monroe 3D silk lashes. And they're made from 100% synthetic silk. And what it says about these, it provides moderate length and dramatic volume. And these are running at $28. So, hey, Amanda, thank you. Wow, this is the best pair of eyelashes I've ever owned in my life, and I can't wait to try them out. So you guys definitely go check out her channel. She's a young upstart. Go give her some love, and she really knows what she's doing. So thank you, Amanda. Now, the second part of my video is Earfleek. For those of you who don't know, Earfleek is a monthly subscription box. It's $3.49. You get sent one pair of fun fashion jewelry every month. And this is what I received this month. I received these lovely, let me take them out so maybe you guys could see them better. They're lovely little purple pearl round balls on little gold hoops. I really love these. And if you guys are interested in trying Earfleek, I have a discount code down below for $1.75 off your first box. So it's only $3.49, you take $1.75 off. I don't know the math of that. But if you use my discount code, it's hardly nothing and it's free shipping. So definitely use my discount code and go check it out, especially if you like fun fashion jewelry. And they have a fun little game where you can swipe left or right on, what you like. It'll, and they'll send you the stuff that you do like. And I remember sweeping right for these because I like them. So I'm glad I got them. All right, guys, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing down below. Go check out Amanda's channel and definitely go check out Earfleek. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.